here we go, maiden flight of the Scrappee Nautilus. Off she goes. Well, no need to trim, seems to be absolutely fine. And as you can see, a nice sedate flyer on a very calm Wednesday evening. So this has got a 150 milliamp hour 45C LiPo in. It's an E-flite, I think, fully charged, fairly new. And of course the Scrappee Nautilus comes with the hypermotor rather than the standard coreless motor. The hypermotor is a coreless motor, but it's just more hotly wound, so it can take a little more, or it can produce a little more power. So let's see what we've got. So yes, that's got quite a bit of climb to it. I'm at 0 power at the moment. So as you can see, this is a nice gentle aircraft to fly. Very good for indoors. And not bad outdoors either. On an evening like this it's ideal, but it will take some wind too. Plenty of lift from the biplane configuration, and really well balanced with there's no need for any ballast. It builds, or should build, to fly like this. And I'm just below half throttle. That's about a third throttle. Push it up a bit, as you see, it nicely turns. It's just three channel, rudder, elevator and throttle. And of course this kit comes with a pair of floats as well, that you take the wheels off and pop the floats on, and you build the floats as well. It's they're part of the kit. They're kitted themselves really. So lovely little gentle flyer, and looks great in the air as well with its new livery. There we go. Gosh, that climbs quickly. Okay, down to 0 throttle. And throttle on again. About a quarter throttle, but powering up slightly more. That just goes where you want it to. And it can fly nice tight configuration as well, so if you're flying in a small haul, this should be perfect for it. Well, I've never been very good at landings, but let me see what we've got here. Oh, there we go, that's not too bad at all. Okay. Really controllable on the run out, which it's sometimes for smaller aircraft it's quite difficult. You've usually just got to power on and get it up in the air as quickly as possible, but with the wide stance undercarriage, it seems to ground handle quite well. So there we go, the Scrappee Nautilus, the latest of the Scrappee range, Royal Navy colours. Fantastic. There we go, chaps. The Scrappee Nautilus.